My name is Mbali Mkhonza. I am a PhD student at Stellenbosch University. I'm originally from Mpumalanga and I moved to the Western Cape in 2014 to begin my studies. I did a BSc in molecular biology and biotechnology, and then I moved over to the Tygerberg campus to pursue my postgraduate studies. My current study is looking at the role of MR1 restricted T cells, which are an innate-like subset of T cells, and we want to evaluate the role that they play during TB disease. Previous research showed that in individuals who have TB infection, these cells are fewer in the blood compared to the lungs when they were compared to healthy individuals. So we hypothesized that during TB disease, these cells migrate to the sites of infection where they can better assist with aiding the immune system to respond to infection. So I would like to phenotype and characterize these cells and also to assess the functional work that they do. Involved in assisting with the social media platforms. So I mainly assist with LinkedIn. So on there I'm able to share information pertaining to various short courses or news, anything that is relevant to the immunology community. And I'm also involved in conducting interviews of people who are in the immunology community. After I came across an interview that they'd done of an immunologist, I thought it was quite interesting to hear the perspective of various people in the immunology community. So I wanted to get involved in doing the behind the scenes of to the response that we all have to various diseases. It's interesting that one person can be infected with something and the immune system responds a certain way, and then another person can be infected with like the exact same disease, but then their immune system responds differently. So that has been an interesting aspect. As an immunologist in Africa, I think the challenges that we often face is with regards to resources. I think that we have the proper knowledge and expertise to carry out the research, but sometimes we are hindered by not having the proper infrastructures or access to certain resources that would allow us to carry out that research. But I think an opportunity that we also have is that fact that we're able to study diseases that are prevalent to our African context. I enjoy going to the gym, hanging out with my friends. I am a huge Swiftie, so any chance I get, I love bursting out into some Taylor Swift songs. If I was a superhero, my superpower would be being invisible, and my superpower name would be Invisible. I think I would love to be able to just disappear and to help people without them knowing who's helping.